It's timely, it's in demand, and we're really happy to support these programs. Just watching their faces as they get excited about this, that makes it all worthwhile.
My experience at Yes Academy was very good for me and my skills to go into the workplace. I learned some skills like dressing for the occasion and learning a proper handshake and understanding to keep eye contact to just build trust and build confidence.
Yes Academy has helped me a lot with everything I needed, like trainings, like Narcan training, certified for Stop the Bleed, CPR, AED, suicide prevention, sexual harassment, and a lot of other programs that would probably have taken a lot of time and a lot of hundreds and thousands of money, which I got it for free through Yes Academy. And in the future, I know this will help me with my career pathways in the medical field.
A lot of soft skills I learned is speaking. I've talked to a lot of different people during Yes Academy, and even right now we're doing interview skills, and I'm learning how to answer different interview questions. So that's really helping me because that's going to help me in my career and in my jobs and even in my personal day-to-day life, because I'll be able to communicate with people more effectively.
I like how there's different schools and people from everywhere just coming together in one place to learn. You know, everybody comes on their own time, and I think it's really cool that kids actually want to learn.
The program of Yes Academy has helped me a lot because my dreams mostly are of health and all of that. It's pretty nice because the certifications that they gave me on CPR and Stop the Bleed, I didn't know those things existed, and it even helps us like find jobs, and it has helped me do my resume, and it's very helpful.
Yes Academy is overall the best thing I've been involved in. Right now I'm becoming certified in OSHA 10, so identifying workplace hazards and how to report them to the right person. Also, I'm becoming better in interviews. Before Yes Academy, I was stuttering, I was a very shy person, but thanks to them, I'm now very confident with my interviews. I'm not scared anymore. I could tell something to someone without stuttering or without being scared. So it helped me in many ways, and I'm so happy to be involved, and I wish many kids could do this as well.
Professionally, I need to hire these folks in a couple of years. We've got major commitments, so from an emphasis point of view, it's something that's incredibly important, to creating this U.S. IT workforce. Anything we can do to make opportunities more available, accessible, known to students. I'm just excited about what happened here and then what they're going to go say, as much as what they're going to go say to their friends about the value of this. And it's great when you know that these folks were in no way forced to do this. It's something they're passionate about. They're going to take their time, they're going to invest in it, and they're creating, the skills and the workforce and the people of the future for all of us here in Hartford and beyond, frankly.